my friends, is a Nissan GTR R34 in Arctic Red. This is a V-Spec. 4 years ago, I started my YouTube channel making vlogs about abandoned cars here in Dubai. And my first viral video and still my most viewed video is about an abandoned Nissan GTR R34. And this is that car. Four years later, right now I'm here in Fujairah to buy a Nissan GTR R34. We already did the payment and everything. We are actually storing this car in a shop over here. So let's go and take a look at that car. But anyway, car. What the Look how time flies. Remember the Nissan GTR R33 which I showed you guys in my previous vlog? It's the same buyer who bought this R34. So it's going to be fun when we ship both of these cars together in one container. So stay tuned for that vlog as well. By the way guys, I'm not going alone. I'm going with my friends in a Toyota. Ah yes. Who needs a R34 when you have a Toyota Yaris? You know what I mean? Yo, what's up man? By the way guys, this is Steve. And it's been a while. How's Fujairah man?
What's up? So hot here bro.
So anyway guys, let's go to the shop and take a look at this Nissan GTR R34. Corsican is literally like a mini Tokyo. Just take a look at this yellow R32 they have over here. It's beautiful. And I'm pretty sure this car is too. Alright, so we are finally here at the secret location. Just take a look at all these Radiant cars they have over here. Especially this Subaru. This is actually a Subaru STI and I think this car is pretty brand new. It still has this plastic cover on it. So anyway, let's go inside and take a look at our R34. This is the shop. So anyway, let's go inside and take a look at it. By the way, I've never seen a Toyota Tacoma over here in Dubai and that's pretty unique. Have you ever seen a Toyota Tacoma over here in Dubai? It's very rare. And we have a classic Skyline. I have no idea what this Skyline is. This is actually a Skyline.
Some 1980s
From 1970s, man. Just take a look at it. It's actually a Skyline. I'm not even capping. Just take a look at it. It's a Skyline. And that's insane. It even comes with this cloth interior and stuff like that. That's insane. And I have a special car for you guys. Just come over here. This, my friends, is the most expensive R34. This is actually a R34 V-Spec to Nur. Wow. Now the asking price of a car like this is around 500,000 dirham. And the most expensive GTR ever sold was also a V-Spec to Nur. And it was sold for 485,000 US. Just think about it. This is actually a Rolls-Royce Cullinan just sitting over here. Guys, the interior on this car is sick. Just take a look at that. Man, this car is literally
Go
sick.
take a look at the engine over here. There's no engine.
That's insane, man. Right now they don't have the engine, but I'm pretty sure they're working on it.
The engine is there, but then it's low.
They're repairing it or either modifying it. You know what I mean? But just think about it. This is actually a V-Spec 2 Nord, and that's insane. And over here they have a Nissan Petrol. And this is the most sold car over here in UAE, and that's pretty insane. And the way how they tune this car is literally insane. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that episode in Grand Tour where they raced a Nissan Petrol with a Porsche 918 Spider and a Nissan Petrol one. And over here we have another R34. So maybe let's go in that side and take a look at the car which we bought. And ironically, I have the key of it in my hand right now. It looks like a door key, you know what I mean? Here we have a Ford Mustang. I think that's Mustang, I'm not sure. Let's comment down below if you guys have any idea what car that is. And over here we have a Toyota Max. This is also a very famous car over here in Dubai. It's known as the king of the desert.
Oh, this is
You get it too?
Yeah. It's getting tuned as well.
Pretty sure they're gonna add like 200-300 horsepower more to it. And over here, ladies and gentlemen, this is the car which we bought. This, my friends, is a Nissan GTR R34 in Arctic Red. This is a V-Spec Arctic Red. It's a 1 of 61 and this car is very rare. Just come over here. It even comes with a carbon fiber hood. What more do you want, huh? What more do you want? Here, let's start her up. And oh my god, I'm very excited. She's on. It's a very loud car. It's a very loud car.
It's an RB26 V6 inline 6 engine which produces 350 horsepower. Dang.
Okay, so anyway, let's take a look at this Toyota Supra they have over here. It's a completely modified Toyota Supra. I mean, they have literally removed every parts of this car for weight reduction. There are no tail lights, back bumper or anything. Just take a look at the interior of this car. Wow. It's a proper racing car. That's insane. Yeah, so anyway, let's take a look at the engine of this car. Oh my god. This is a classic 2JZ engine and it produces around 700 horsepower. And that's insane. So anyway guys, let's take our R34 outside for a small spin. This is insane, man. I'm literally excited. This car will be going to Canada very soon with the R33 which we bought last week. God. Guys, right now we're gonna take this car out for a quick little wash because this car is super dusty. If I was the Rohan from 2017, then I would have said that this is an abandoned Nissan GTR R34. Well, it's not. Alright, so this is the GTR in its full glory. We gave it a good wash and now the car is shining. So let me give you guys the spec sheet one more time. This is actually a 1999 Nissan GTR R34 V-Spec. Yes, this is a V-Spec. This color is also pretty unique. It's called Arctic Red or AR2 and they only produce 61 Nissan GTR R34s with this color. So that's pretty unique. And if you're talking about the engines and stuff like that, just take a look at this dude, man. It's super nice. I don't know how many times I said that. But take a look at this engine. It's a RB26 inline 6 engine and it produces around 350 horsepower. And this entire car is stock. Only modification which they have done is on the exhaust nut. And Steve, how's the car?
The best part about this car is we can easily find the braking point in the clutch. You know, that's although it was a bit difficult for me, I eventually got it.
Oh really wow, that's insane. And guys, just take a look at this. This is something which I have only seen in Fast and Furious movies. Oh, what do these things do? Do you have any idea?
I'm a Brian O'Connor myself.
Guys, just take a look at it. It even comes with 5.8-inch LCD screen.
This one's for infotainment and that one's for the performance. They'll see the torque and
this
all.
car is legit crazy. And one more thing which you will notice is that this car is actually left and right at the moment. And what we'll be doing is this, that we'll be going to Russell Core Market and we'll be buying a right hand side dashboard for this car and we'll be shipping that too with this car. This is not a normal Nissan R33, it's a fully modified Nissan GTR R33. Let me show you the interior of this car. Just come over here. It's just like the Supra. They are using this car for drag race and as a result this car even comes with a parachute. And that's pretty insane. Just take a look at the interior of this car. Oh my god. Bro. The gear changing thing is sequential and this is the brake system. And just take a look at this. Every panel is carbon fiber and that's insane. And this car produces around 1100 horsepower and this is where the exhaust is. Let's take a look at the engine of this car. Sheesh.
It's a twin turbo engine.
Twin turbo.
As you can see.
1100 horsepower and that's insane. And
Next Bugatti ad will be short.
the top speed of this car is around 350 or something and the owner is only using this car for drag race. And as a result, just take a look at this. This is the parachute. And guys, this car runs on methane. Q16, that's the name of the fuel they are using for this car. And it's the exact same fuel used for jets. And that's insane. So guys, anyway, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed. So stay tuned for the vlog where we'll be exporting this R34 and that R33 to Canada. It's going to be an exciting one. So anyway guys, that's a wrap for this video. It's your Rohan signing off. Please also follow me on my Instagram. It's at Rohan_Robert. Bye bye.